Another great thing with this system is if you go to your music there, you had a bad day, huh? That's well, anyway, at the bottom there, the silver triangle and the 3 red circles, Jaguar F PACE. Sorry, if we click on that, it shows there's a tick next to Jaguar F PACE. So we're okay there. We'll go back to the record. I'm going to turn it down, click play, over to the system, and you'll see here the like film clapperboard and the note. Click on there. Audio's off at the moment, sorry, let me turn that back on. I'll turn it down. We need to click source to select Bluetooth audio. Click Bluetooth audio. That'll show. There you go, Daniel Powter, you had a bad day. Same thing's playing here. I can only turn it up for a second, so we'll turn that up just to show it's playing. There you go, that's it playing. Thanks for watching.